Alright guys, taking a look at OCGN here. Current price for OCGN is at 66 cents. We did break below the major support level here of 72 cents. There is this possible pullback down range towards 58 cents. 58 cents here is going to be the next major support level I'm keeping an eye out for, followed by 49 as well as 34. Now, I don't think we will see a test of 34. I actually think at some point we should see a reversal for OCGN, whether that is at 49 or 58. I think between 58 and 72 provides a good dip opportunity if you are long-term on OCGN and you are following the due diligence and catalysts to come. Between 58 and 72 is a good dip opportunity. If for some reason we do dip below 58 and head towards 49, between 58 and 49, I would look to add a bigger position into OCGN. As of right now, I do have my own position and amount of shares for OCGN. I have about 6,000 shares of OCGN right at the average of 66. That is between, again, 58 and 72, my personal preference of entry. For price targets, I'm on the daily chart right now looking at the 50, 100, and 200 EMA. Those prices are at 80, 90 cents, and about $1. Those are my three price targets for OCGN in the coming months, potentially, if we see this reversal. As of right now, we are in a bearish crossover, and this occurred on October 2024. Ever since this bearish crossover, we've been rejecting the 200 EMA, then the 100 EMA, and now we are rejecting the 50 EMA. After all three of these sequences have been rejected, I then look for a reversal back up towards the 50 EMA. So now that we are in oversold territory, I think we should see a reversal testing back up towards the 50 EMA, 100 EMA, and the 200 EMA. It is a bit risky catching a potential falling knife. However, if you're long-term in OCGN, I think you should expect to see a lot of volatility coming back up towards the top side if we go out and scroll back, right? We know that once OCGN has its move up, there's a lot of volume that comes back in with it as well. Obviously, in the past, we could see it down sliding all the way to even a low of 34.50 and then having that reversal back up to a high of $2.10. Do I think OCGN is going to hit $2.10 in the future? My personal opinion is yes. I think OCGN will definitely be well above $10 in my opinion. For a company that's going to be curing eye blindness, I think this is going to be an extremely profitable company. If you are long-term in OCGN and you're following its catalyst due diligence, feel free to join our Discord with the link down below in the description. There's over 32,000 members there, and it's free to join. People are in there for OCGN as well, and there's a handful of people sharing due diligence on a weekly basis. And if not due diligence, you can share your opinion, how many shares you have, or what's your portfolio looking like with OCGN in it. If the technical analysis was helpful for you, feel free to like and subscribe to support the channel. The last few remaining things I do want to talk about before we wrap up the video is if we do break above that dollar resistance, right, that 200 EMA on the daily chart, there are 4 resistances beyond that to keep an eye out for, with the Fibonacci retracement at 34 cents to about $2.10. Those 4 resistances after $1 are going to be at 122, 143, 169, and then of course $2.10. At these resistances, you can expect to see a bit of a slowdown or selling pressure before we make a move up to the next resistance level. So again, those 4 resistance levels may provide as a potential selling opportunity or selling pressure, but it all depends on the volume and depends on how many buyers step in for OCGN on the reversal back up. I'll go ahead and make another video for OCGN, especially when we hit the 50, 100, and 200 EMA. Again, that's 80, 90, and $1. Currently, we are at 66, okay? So we are in a dip opportunity in my opinion, and I think we will get that reversal into a bullish crossover. The time to buy, in my opinion, is when we are in a bearish crossover and below the 50 EMA. Right now, we are in a bearish crossover where the 50 EMA is dropping down below the 200 EMA, and the current price is definitely below the 50 EMA. Even on the Fibonacci retracement, we are well below the 61 percentile. We're all the way down below to the 78 percentile Fibonacci retracement. This means it's extremely oversold in my opinion. We should start to see a reversal for OCGN. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I hope to see you guys in the next video for OCGN.